Sometimes I need to remove a duplicate, so get the unique list. For example, unique list of clients. How can I do it in Excel? I can copy this column, so Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then on Data tab, go to Remove Duplicates command. And here, because I have just one column, I can just press OK. And Excel summarized that he removed almost 1000 duplicates and only 5 unique values, 5 unique clients remain. And it's important when we try to remove duplicates from more than one column. And once again, so one cell is enough here. Data tab, remove duplicates. Now I have 2 columns, and when I choose only one, so only clients, I will remove duplicates based on only one column. But I'm interested in pairs, so client with product. So this time unique value means unique row, and just if just one value is different, it means it's a different row, unique row. So based on that, when I check 2 columns and press OK, I have 55 unique values, 55 unique pairs, rows, and we can see them, and I can, for example, sort it by client. And sometimes when we have many columns, so once again, Data tab, remove duplicates, and based on these 4 columns, and when I press OK, Excel may not find any duplicate rows.